Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Jen from Crafty Crafty and I am very excited to be able to bring to you Tonic Studios' new cuttables. Cuttables are SVG files which can be installed onto your computer and then uploaded to your digital die cut machine platform. They are really easy and simple to work with. You can make them larger if you want to. You can change the designs and the style of them. And of course you can cut them in a variety of materials and colours. Just make sure that you stick to the minimum cut size. All cuttables come with the appropriate files. They also come with an instruction sheet and they come with a commercial use license. Buildable cuttables also come with two types of file. There is a file with perforated cut lines and there is also a file with solid score lines. So you can then choose which one works best for you. I am absolutely in love with this cuttables range. They're really lovely designs. They're easy to put together. You can tailor them to your own specifications. You can redesign them and you can also, as I say, play with the materials and the colours. I find these really easy to work with and that is something that I love about them. I've really enjoyed working with these cuttables and I hope that you're going to enjoy and love them too.